Once a Trini reaching your face is nice.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. I'm extremely excited for today's video. First of all, I will insert a clip of the process of me making my let me pull out one that looks in good condition for the most part. I am going to show you guys how I made my very own I don't really know what to call it. I don't know if to say spring twists, coils. Listen guys, I don't know, but I made them. Okay. I don't know how much I have here, but I didn't want it as full as I did it the last one. I will insert a card for that video if you have not already checked it out. Okay, so now let's get into the method I'm using here. Last time I did do rubber band method. Did I? Yes, I did. I sure did. But I use elastic bands. But this time I make sure I got proper rubber bands. Like, they're proper rubber bands. They're not elastic. Also, the method I did is a little different, so that my hair is completely not in the way. As I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can. I literally put a rubber band, braided it down, and put a rubber band at the end. And I did this for every single one. That way my hair is literally like not in the way. It would not stick out through the braid. Like, it wouldn't give me any problems, basically, in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say. So guys, I have no clue how this is about to come out. If it doesn't come out good, then this video never gets posted. But if it comes out amazing, then it's gonna get posted and you'll be watching this. So how I did it in the video, you guys saw that I did make a loop. So this is where you basically separate the hair like how it was in the beginning. Separate it like that, right? Oh guys, please ignore this. I am actually going to do some baby hairs. I'm gonna do some baby hairs for you guys, like some soup to the doops, okay? So that's why, like, it looks like that. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. I just want to show you guys how I'm doing it again. So basically it will be pretty similar to the first video I did. The only difference is how I prepped my hair, because it's so short, is the only thing that's different. I did not want to add in braids. I know a few people asked that question. Personally, they asked me why I didn't do braids or whatever, but I honestly did not want to. I wanted to use my hair. So yeah. Okay. Now I just have to figure out how long I want it. I think there is fine. Okay guys, so we're literally going to start the same way that we started. You do want to separate the hair a little bit. Okay, so what we about to do right now is do the stick out thing. Okay guys, please keep in mind this braids is $1 braids that I got in Dollar General for $1. I will show you guys a pack just so you guys know what I'm talking about, and I paid $1 per pack. So far I made about 6-7 packs, but the packs are released. The bundles are like this tiny, they're really tiny, so that's why I use that much. Now if it's literally too little, I'll just go and make some more of these curly braids. Guys, I am loving it. I really am. It's giving me what I needed to give. Okay guys, before I continue, I completely didn't show you guys what I even put in my hair to prep it. No, I am absolutely tired of edge controls. I'm tired of shine and jam. I mean, I love it, but I'm tired of it because I'm no longer relaxed. I have completely natural hair, and I find it does not work for me. It does not do what I want it to do. So I went with the Guts to Be clear one. That's what I have in my hair right now, and to be very honest, my hair is laid. Okay, I am not seeing my natural hair trying to spiral out of control. The gel is working wonders. And this is the braid. I got this for $1 in Dollar General. Okay, $1 Dollar General. This is it. It's actually doing what I needed to do. I got about 8 packs. I used about maybe 5 packs so far, and each pack I can make, I'm about to show you, I can make 8 of these. Each pack contains, you know, with this size that I go with, I could do about 8, maybe 9 if I do it a little smaller, but 8 for the most packs I do. This is how thin it is, and it's very long. It's very long, but this is how thin it is. Okay, I honestly still have some packs remaining, so what I may just do, I may do box braids or knotless braids sometime in the near future with the remaining packs, or just go buy some more, because $1, guys, $1 for this, $1, which I think is worth it because it's actually doing what I wanted it to do. So yeah, I'm about to stop rambling right now and go back to braiding. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. You know, I am hyped because I wasn't expecting it to come out this good. Y'all, it looking better than when I did it the first time. No lie, no cap, no lie, no cap. Like, look at this, look at this. And this is all from hair that I basically made into a spring twist for myself. Yes guys, I am extremely happy. Who knew $1 hair from Dollar General could literally make this happen? Who knew? So guys, remember my edges was a mess. I laid it with Gots to Be, because I already laid my hair with Gots to Be, and as you can see, it's so neat and amazing. What I am actually thinking to do still is spray this like here, there, all in there, mainly because guys, my hair is very short and I just feel like you can never be too safe. And you know, I never keep braid styles in for more than 2 days. No lie, 2 days, that's my maximum, because my hair is short, it don't stay, it won't keep, it'll look great for the first 2 days and then my natural hair will start to stick out. So how this is under it, I'm honestly loving it so much, and I want to keep this style in for as long as I can. So you guys will be keeping up with me with this, okay? I love it, and I love it. I am so happy at the outcome. I'm just really happy. Like, I just want to give props to this YouTuber for who video I got the idea to make my own spring twist from. I might have her channel name below if I can find it. I really can't remember her name, Lord, I'm so sorry, I can't remember her name. But yeah, I looked at her tutorial and it was pretty easy, so I did it and I accomplished what I wanted to. Now, I love the hair, I love the shiny look to it. I don't like to see locks with what you call it, with like a dry grassy look. I don't like it. I really don't like it. I kind of like this. I like this shine to it. It just makes it look a lot cute, like, you know. Anyway, so you guys will tell me what you think. Oh my god, like, I am beyond excited, beyond. Guys, if you saw like stuff in the way in my tutorial, I'm sorry, we're about to move soon and stuff is just going to be everywhere. I'm just trying to film as much as I can now, because next week I won't be able to film at all, because boxes and bags will be in my workspace, which is right here, and it'll be difficult to film, so I have to film in bulk and just get them out as much as I can. So yeah, what do you guys think? Oh, you know I always do the back view. Okay, so let's do the back. Of course, the pattern is not perfect. I never do it perfect, because I just think when you freestyle, it looks a little better. So, oh, and this time I did not leave any out. I made sure, and I did every last one. I really did. And of course, who would I be if I don't do my absolute favorite style? Like, whether it's weave or braids, I do this style because it is my go-to. I love this style a lot. Yeah, this is it. If you guys know me by now, you know that this is me. Like, you see how I have my hair right here with the little, that's how I love my hair 24/0. I don't care. Wait till my hair grows out. My hair is going to be in that style in my natural hair all the time. because I love it. I just love how it looks. I think it fits my face, it's me. Okay guys, I have made this long enough. You guys get the drift. You tell me if you like my tutorial, if it was easy. I do think I did it better now. This is my second time doing it, and I do think I did it better than the first time. The first time it was cute, but I honestly didn't think I get the grasp of it until I did it the second time, and it just came to me, and I love it a lot more. Yeah, I didn't do anything to the ends, by the way. I did not add glue, I didn't do anything. I just wrap till the hair ran out, twist, and that was it, as you guys saw in the tutorial. Anyway guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy. For more videos like this or similar of me testing out different things like I have done here, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Alright guys, bye.